Now, okay, now we'll start in classifying life. Classifying life. Classifying life, we'll take a new vocab, classification, kingdom, species, vertebrate, invertebrate, vascular, and non-vascular.
Yes.
Yes. How are organisms classified? How are organisms classified? In kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Yeah? And the scientists classify this according to shared characteristics. For example, the horse, similar for zebra in some properties. The horses similar from the pond. There's similar common properties between the both. The scientists uses this for classification. What are animals? What are animals? Now I want to ask you some questions about animals, vertebrate and invertebrate. Who can give me the definition of vertebrate? Vertebrate.
I say.
Sir, I know.
Yes,
Nice.
sorry.
Okay.
Ubada.
Yes, invertebrates are animals without backbone.
Yeah, vertebrate. Vertebrate. I'll choose Yasin, Ahmed. Yasin.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yasin, vertebrate. What about vertebrate?
Invertebrates, animals without backbone.
Okay, vertebrate. I need. Okay, now vertebrate. ذو الفقار.
Yes.
Vertebrate. What about vertebrate?
Vertebrates, they have backbones.
Yes, excellent. Can you give an example?
Like a human.
Oh, human, yes, thank you. Human, fish, snake, and cow. Invertebrate, sponge, dragonfly, jellyfish. Cow, jellyfish, yeah. Now, fungus kingdom. Fungus kingdom. It consists of 3: yeast, morels, mildew, mold, rust, smut, mushrooms. Here, corn smut, penicillin, morels, Eliazan Bilal.
Yes.
Read fungus kingdom. Read the passage or the chart.
Non-vascular. Yeast, morels, mildew, mold, penicillin, and vascular.
Yeah.
Rust,
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Now, fungus kingdom, vascular and non-vascular. Vascular has a tube or vessels. Non-vascular, it hasn't. Okay. What are bacteria and protestis? What are bacteria and protestis? Protestis kingdom, plant-like, animal-like, and fungi-like. Plant-like, red algae. Animal-like, paramecium. Fungi-like, orange slime, mold. عبادة طلحة
Yes, Mr.
طلحة, read what are bacteria and protists.
What are bacteria and protists?
Yeah.
Protist kingdom.
Yeah.
Fungi like orange slime mold. Animal like paramecium.
Yes.
Plant like red.
Excellent. You did well. Excellent. Okay. Now, what are viruses? It's so easy. What are viruses? Who can give me an example about viruses? Who can give me an example? Yasin, Sulaiman. Yasin.
Yes, Mr. Yes.
Give me an example around a virus.
Mister, your voice come and go.
Now, what now? About now? It's clear?
Yes.
Yes, Yasin, give me an example around virus.
It's still come and go.
Okay, I will back to you later, please. I will back to you. Thank you. Marwan Wali. Marwan.
Yes.
Give me an example around virus.
Coronavirus.
Yes, excellent. Perfect. Viruses are tiny particles that enter the body of living things. The virus, not organism, but when the virus enters inside the organism, to be converted to organism and cause the organism to get sick. Cause the organism to get sick. And force the cell to copy it many copies. Now, which three chromosomes are mainly multicellular, mainly unicellular? Here we have three: multicellular, animals, plant, and fungi. Unicellular, protists, and bacteria. Now, the narrowest group, who can give me the narrowest group, or who can fill the blank? Who can fill the blank? Charbel.
Yes.
Answer. Fill in the blanks. The narrowest group.
Patients.
Excellent, Charbel. Excellent. You did well. Yes. The second, Ahmed Mufid.
Mister,
Yes.
the word what means contains tube or viscous.
Vertebrate contains a backbone, but vascular contains tubes or vessels in the plant. Vascular. Yes, vascular. Third, Adam Husari.
Okay.
Is
an animal with a backbone.
Yeah.
A species is an animal with a backbone.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What about vertebrate? Vertebrate.
What? I can't hear well.
Vertebrate. Okay. Who correct? Rami. Rami.
Yes, mister. Okay.
Third A. Read. A is an animal with a backbone.
Vertebrate is
Vertebrate, yes.
is an animal.
Vertebrate, yes. Vertebrate, an animal with a backbone. Classification has been called the science of finding patterns. Define classification. The science of finding patterns. Define classification. The science of finding patterns. Okay. We are gonna to vocabulary non-vascular. Plants don't have طلحة.
Yes, mister.
طلحة. The broadest
Yes.
group, yes, the broadest group
Is classified into is a kingdom.
excellent, kingdom. Excellent, kingdom, yes. Okay, now Adam. اليزن بلال. اليزن بلال.
Yes. An invertebrate is an animal without a backbone.
Excellent, you did well. Thank you, thank you. Yes. Okay, now open your book, but before that, we'll see a video.
Thank you for watching this video. If you find that this video was useful, do give us a
Okay, now open your book, page 34, page 34, page 34, page 34. We explain this paper, but put highlight, classification, kingdom, species, species. Put highlight, we explain this page, put highlight about classification, kingdom, and the Norwest. Now page 35, page 35, if you look to the chart, you can find classification of horses. Classification of horses.
Sir, I didn't highlight everything in page 34.
Yes, back quickly. Classification. We explained this page in the previous lessons, but now we put highlight. Are you finished? Have you finished?
Read.
Have you finished? Okay, now page 35. Page 35.
Mister, you unmuted me.
No, unmute for all.
No, you unmuted me.
Yes, yes. Yes. Now, have a question? You have a question?
Yeah, Mister, can you go highlight?
Okay, now page 35. Page 35. Page. Here we answered before what the broadest classification group, kingdom, the Norwest species. The broadest kingdom, Norwest species. Now page 36. Page 36. Here we have a vertebrate. Vertebrate. Vertebrate here. Animal with a backbone. invertebrate animal without a backbone. Vertebrate. With highlight, yes. Now invertebrate highlight include mollusks, echinoderms, arthropods, mollusks, you have an example. Echinoderms include sea stars, sea cucumber, and sea urchins. Have you finished now? From putting highlight? Animals, here animals don't make their own food. Plants can make their own food. Have you finished now? Yasin Ahmed. Yasin. Yasin.
Yes.
You have a question? Now have you finished from highlight?
Yes.
Okay. Page 37. Page 37. Page 37, put highlight, yes. Arthropods are the largest invertebrate phylum. Arthropods are the largest invertebrate phylum. Adam Husari. Adam.
Yes.
Have you finished from highlight?
I don't have the book. Today
Why?
I will get it.
Okay,
I
okay.
will
Now,
get it today,
yes,
inshallah.
follow us, and you come back to the
Okay.
record of the lessons on your platform. Thank you.
Okay.
Rami,
Yes, mister.
have you finished from highlight?
No, I didn't. I'll finish now. Just a minute.
Liazan. Have you finished? Now page 38. Page.
Yes, mister, I'm done from.
Page 38.
Finish, teacher. Finish. Can you wait only?
Okay. Page 37. Unit page 37.
Silent highlight.
Hi, page 37. Yes, put highlight.
I will go to
Page
page 37.
37, yeah. You have 1 minute to page 37. Now I have a question. How would you classify a dog? How would you classify a dog? Vertebrate or invertebrate? Adam. Adam Hustari. Adam. Adam.
Yes.
The dog, vertebrate or
Yes.
invertebrate? Classify a dog.
What?
Classify a dog.
I can't hear. Classify. How would you classify a dog and a butterfly, invertebrate or
Yeah.
vertebrate?
Yes. What about the dog? Vertebrate or
Dog
vertebrate? Yes. Yes. Excellent.
butterfly,
Excellent. Butterfly, invertebrate. You did well. Yes. Perfect.
invertebrate.
Yeah. Thank you.
The butterflies
38.
has no backbone.
Yes. Without a backbone. Yes. Page 38. Plant kingdom. Plant kingdom consists of non-vascular, vascular, flowering plant, fern, pine tree, non-vascular, moss, liverwort, hornwort. Okay, now what are plants and fungi? Page 38. Page 38.
Okay.
Page 38. What are plants and fungi? Who can read? Rami. Rami.
I want to
Sir,
read.
can I read?
Rami. I need Rami, please. Rami.
Can I read, mister?
Okay.
After Rami. Okay.
Okay, yay.
Cell walls are a key feature for identifying members of certain kingdoms.
Yeah.
Organisms form
Or only two kingdom.
only to place and do not have true sense organs.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Complete?
Thank you,
Can I
thank
read,
you.
Mister?
Yes, Ubada. Ubada.
Okay. The plant kingdom includes about 350,000 plant species. All plants are multicellular and make their own food. Plants are organized into two major groups, vascular and non-vascular plants. The word vascular means contains tubes or vessels. Vascular plants have a system of vessels that run up and down the body of the plant. Vascular tissues carries water and nutrients up from the plant's roots into its leaves. It also moves sugars made in the leaves to other parts of the plant. Non-vascular plants do not have vascular tissue. This non-vascular plants tend to be much smaller than vascular plants. A tree, for example, can grow tall because it has vascular tubes that carry
Let your friend complete. Thank you, please. Yes, who can read now? Tall, can grow tall, yes.
Where they soak up water directly.
Yeah, thank you so much. You did well. Thank you so much. Yes, you can. Start from non-vascular. Start from here, non-vascular. Yes, start.
Non-vascular plants do not have vascular tissue. For this reason, non-vascular plants stand out. A tree, because it has vascular tubes where they soak up water directly. And vascular plants include mosses, hornworts, and liverworts.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. We have 1 minute left. I will show my pictures if you want. If you have any questions, you can. Do you have a questions, my sons? Do you have a questions? Do you have a questions? Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much.